guys, Rocky Mehran is welcome to Rakhim channel of Rakhim Mehran. So guys, before going to the video, I want to say past 2 months I was not uploading some videos due to some content issues. I didn't have any contents. Now I am done. I have many ideas. So in future, in coming weeks, I'll be uploading new videos. Stay tuned. And before going to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And stay tuned and tap the notification bell icon to get new updation and new videos. So guys, one more thing before going to the video. Now the whole world is fighting against with coronavirus. So guys, everybody stay safe. Make sure you're safe, stay safe and stay healthy and stay clean and stay sanitized and wear masks. Okay. And before going to the video, one more thing, last thing. This is a Leon Hector sanitizer spray. I recommend you this. I am using this one. It is lemon flavor. They have strawberry also. I am using the lemon. It's so nice fragrance. You can use this. It's Leon Hector's sanitizer spray. It's spray, not the gel, and it's better for the things to spray on the things and objects and all. For hand gel also it's coming. Okay, the link will be description below. And you can buy from V perfumes also, other links from other sites also you can buy. I'll be giving the links below. Let's go to the video, guys. Today we are going to unbox the title of our unboxing is Extreme Gadget Unboxing. So we are going to unbox these things. So let's start unboxing with our i7 TVS, this one. Okay, this is the i7 TVS. So let's unbox it. First, it's just a box because I have already unboxed it. It's like this. And nothing is there. I just unboxed everything. I'm just showing everything. It's a first look. This is the i7 TVS. This is headset, and we have the two. It's so cheap also. This one and this one. The left and right. So guys, this is the i7 TVS. Link will be given description below. Let's unbox smartwatch. This is also so nice. It's my sister's. I took it from her for review. This also I used it. It's for song and all. It's best. This is a thing, and this is smartwatch. This is smartwatch. Look, and so nice. You have camera. You can hear song, and you can pair it to your phone. And this is the other things. It's just a thing. Then only the cover, and there's only the charger, and other are full finished. Okay, so smartwatch finished. So in our review project, we repeat these two link description below. Let's unbox this. This we'll do it last. So let's do this, guys. Anybody can guess this? What's this? Okay, then I'm going to open it. It's like a zip-in type cover. Yeah, it's just a mic like this. It's like this. Look. It's a mic. You can talk hello like this. Again for karaoke and all. There's an app called Small, and you have this thing for this is for charging, and this is the things. Look, this is the thing. You can connect it to your phone and you can record for Small and all. It's best. The app Small. Do you know that? I'll be giving the link of the app. And to buy this, if you are interested to buy this mic, link description below. And you'll be available in many types of color, black, gold, white, and many of them. Okay, now this will be closed. Our last product is the Jabra solmate speaker. This is a mini solmate. This is waterproof and it's coming with NFC also. And it is a little expensive. I'll give the link description below. So this is speaker. It's NFC pairable, and this is for wire cable. And this is the thing, and under this there's one charger. So this is the charger, and this is a small one. So this specialty is kept it for last years. And this it's a Jabra's Bluetooth system. It's very nice. No, it's very nice, and it's a bit expensive for this one, but no problem. Sound quality, best sound quality. So I'm going to review this little more in a deeper. That's why. So this is the Jabra's portable wireless speaker, combines amazing sound clarity with an ultra portable design. There are three: small, medium, and larger. And you can take your soulmate anywhere. Not even sand, sun, moisture will stop it from rocking your teens. So guys, before ending my video, I want to show my table. This is fully messed up, so I should clean up. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Stay tuned. Bye bye.